You've heard the hype. Eroxon Gel is being called a game changer for erectile dysfunction. But can it actually replace your daily ED pills? I'm here to break it all down. Real results, side-by-side effects, and the kind of truth you'll never see in a glossy ad. Stick around because the answer might just surprise you. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Eroxon? It's a fast-acting topical gel made for men dealing with ED. Instead of swallowing a pill and waiting, you apply Eroxon directly where it's needed. No digestion, no waiting around. Most ED pills take 30 to 60 minutes to kick in, but Eroxon? You could be ready in 10 minutes or less. That's a big claim, right? But does faster really mean better? Now let's compare that to the old favorites, Viagra, Cialis, and even those so-called natural boosters like Nugenics. Pills work systemically, meaning they run through your whole body. The pros? They're proven. You usually get a longer effect, sometimes lasting hours. But here's the catch. You might feel side effects like headaches, stuffy nose, or even heart palpitations. Some guys even find themselves growing dependent, always needing a pill in their pocket. And don't forget, the waiting game. Most pills force you to plan ahead, which doesn't always match real life. Eroxon, on the other hand, skips your bloodstream. That means fewer widespread side effects. But is the erection quality the same? Some men say yes, especially those with mild or moderate ED. For others, though, pills still pack more power when the pressure's on. So, what's the final verdict? If you want speed, privacy, and fewer side effects, Eroxon might be your go-to. It's made for men who don't want to wait around or deal with surprise headaches. But if you need consistent, rock-solid performance, or have more severe ED, oral pills may still be necessary. Here's something interesting. Some men are now combining both approaches. They use Eroxon for quick action and pills when they need lasting confidence. Whatever you choose, it's all about finding what works for you. Now I want to hear from you. What's been your experience with ED pills or Eroxon? Drop a comment below. If you found this video useful, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthprism for more real reviews and tips that actually work. Thanks for watching.